Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, I'm going to give my personal analysis and findings of one particular bank stock, which is going to be in great crisis in the month of November as well as December. So, because this stock is going to give highly trading opportunity for speculative traders in the month of November as well as December. So before going to those details, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. We have three kinds of trading tips platforms in which I'll explain only one particular trading tips platform is known as Bull Street Superfans Option. Superfans Option is nothing but it is a trading tips platform for stock options in which we give low budget and penny level option trading tips in stock option with the entry price and target price and related updates in live market through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. The subscription is very much low as you compare the return of the profit from the trading tips concern. And you can remit the subscription by Google Pay, GPay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm or even from WhatsApp through WhatsApp Pay to our WhatsApp number. So we have only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street and one Vijay. No other person is connected here. Beware of fake people who may be reflecting our name in Telegram. We do not have any such trading tips activities or premium group or VIP group in Telegram. Now we go to the video. So in this video, the stock which is going to be in crisis is IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank is having a setback because recently the whistleblower made a complaint at the RBI exactly on 14th of October on two allegations. So one is the subsidiary of IndusInd Bank is known as Bharat Finance Inclusions. So Bharat Finance Inclusion is nothing but earlier name was the SKS Microfinance. The SKS Microfinance is not bothering about the risk management and they are not taking care of the auditing committee. So they are performing lethargic in finance dealing. So this is the first allegation made by the whistleblower. And second allegation is this IndusInd Bank itself made such kind of abnormal activities like more than around 80,000 loans which are to be a bad loan or which are going to create NPA. What the IndusInd Bank had done is they created again a loan to the accounts which are already having a bad loan. So remember, they created a loan to the accounts which are already having bad loan, which is going to lead to NPA. So this kind of activities around on 80,000 loan 80,000 accounts, which is very bad practice. So in order to hide the NPA, the IndusInd Bank is doing such kind of abnormal activities. This is the allegation made by the whistleblower at RBI. But the IndusInd Bank is denied these kind of allegations. They said that this is baseless and there is no proof at all. But as a trader, as an speculative investor, one can think of the IndusInd Bank is reaching a saturation point because in the last month and a month before, the IndusInd Bank was in limelight. But when this kind of news appears in the market, the IndusInd Bank is going to sink. So if you are having any stock in this particular bank, you have to think twice, thrice and any number of times so before making a decision. So it is better you can offload the IndusInd Bank if you are having such kind of stocks, or if you are a speculative trader, this is the right opportunity. You can make money out of this IndusInd Bank. And as far as I am concerned, this is my personal view. I have seen the current market price of IndusInd Bank is 1,189. So I can say in my analysis, I can say there is a downside target around 988. So one can consider this 988 is the downside target. And if there is any speculative move, if speculators or a group of syndicate traders is pushing up this IndusInd Bank in spite of this bad news concern, the stock may move up to 1224 level. This is my personal prediction. Disclaimer is purely apply. I'm not recommending, I'm not de-recommending this stock. So if you are a speculative trader, if you are a speculative investor, you can have these two extreme levels, 988 and 1224. So you can make a play between these two levels. So this is about the IndusInd Bank stock. Now I can say a few points about the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. It is the trading tips platform operated by a blog website in which we give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips, and occasional jackpot trading tips. Double money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it within few days of holding 2 times. And triple money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it by 3 times within few days of holding. And mini jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it by 10 to 20 times within few days or some more days of holding. And occasional jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it by 10 to 20 times in few days of holding, sometimes rarely up to the expiry of the same month. And we can quote 2 distinct jackpot trading tips given in this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine recently. In the month of September, we gave a recommendation of DLF 380 call option at the rate of just 1 rupee. It went to 37 rupees 80 paisa within a span of 3 days. It means that if any trader, any subscriber parked around 1 lakh rupees in this particular stock, that 1 lakh rupees may increase to 37 lakhs and 80,000 rupees within 3 days of holding. Same way in the month of October, we gave a trading tips in Tata Motors 420 call option at the rate of just 2 rupees. This 2 rupees has increased to 1 or 2 rupees within 5 days of holding. It means that if any person, any subscriber parked around 1 lakh rupees in this particular stock, it would be grown into half a crore within 5 days of holding. Such kind of magical wonders, miraculous results can appear only in Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. The subscription is 1.55 lakhs per year. If you fall this category, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Otherwise, if you treat yourself as a small trader or small investor, a retail person, you can subscribe to Superfans option. The subscription to join Superfan option is 7,999 per month. So Superfan option is also your best choice if you are a retail investor. If you are a mediocre or above medium level investor, a trader, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Choices up to you. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.